Introducing Apex 10, your fertilizer booster. Purely organic from the earth to the earth, now available in Ghana. Apex 10 fertilizer booster. Best for plant restoration, reviving ancient and withered plants, producing healthy and abundant fruits, and easy to apply. A boom to farmers and beyond, making farming sexy again. Apex 10 fertilizer booster is a game changer with many branches. Employment to enable you to feed yourself. If you must get it right, get Apex 10 fertilizer booster. No toxins, sexy, absolutely organic, easy to apply, and super healthy. For more information, call 0552 505 723 or +1609 227 8043. Apex 10, from the earth to the earth, making farming sexy again. Apex 10, join the movement now.
I wanna share with you, and you can share with me. Come, let's share together. Oh, KTA Mobile, KTA Mobile. Technology worth sharing.
It's the future.
Yo, for any for Sabre, Yabeda Obadi Assese, and a numeran so Yasan Yashiamubium Sabre, a Juada Duce and Asi Shiamwana Munina Munimuse, a Emres Ronkon, and answer a Das Ronkon, Jumadia Ronkon, to the positivity with Reverend DNJ. Now watching Musa open crunch someone, a besha won cry now watching. Na bema wo na watwe abrabọ no anasa bosumi fufuro ya yawramu yi abrabọ no atimi akowi ana me kyerɛw sɛ dwumadie ye dwumadie de ma wo dwumadie ye dwumadie bi a mesrɛ sɛ bɔmɔden asɛ abrebia so hu ye wa hanamo a wo ba bɛka ho saa so ye bɛsrɛ sɛ mo a mo hwɛn so anasa mo a maba so opa so abɔmɔden sɛ obɛhwɛ video no ɛbɛman dwumadie ye soronko saa bre ye nsa ka ɛyɛ yenua bɛma anasa ye papa Reverend DNJ ewa hanamo dia na chese sabre men kasa bebre mejemu ede amana na enedie dia wahyehyɛ a owo ede mayen no ode abran meso bomodo ansa obehye video no ebe mayen yeda mu nyina sese abrebia munya emre eman na Reverend we dia na chese ebe ma wakɔ abade aba wangasa udwumadie so na snow no so animu di ni san ewo Denver.
Oh yeah, me Adam Snow no na that point and said any problem here.
Okay.
Yeah, me I say.
Sir. Into where the kind of honor man the awahyehyɛ de ma ayeke hit radio na Kwame TV fo nyina kind of ho e de ma.
Na busa for the yame ase kojo nyame nhira so say ya say nya akonya biom say ye ni adofo eba bedi nkomo na ya hye ye nyina ye hu enkran megidi say ade enkranhyɛ de aboa awa brabo mu na yesua ne mapi na yegusu kɔ ye nimu na watwe a etwa mu no megidi sɛ dwumadie bi ase a na pese ye hwɛ nsɛm bi a foforo bi aka ene sɛ de besi atimi anya mu ntiase na ye de ebɛyɛ adwuma enti de ne di kan ne ye obi a owura bi friend sɛ pastor na he was asking the difference between obstacle and opportunity. Until last week, that is what we're looking at.
Yep.
And then I tried to draw our attention to the fact that you need to be a friend obstacle and you need to be a friend opportunity. Now there might be an obstacle and after consider or whatever that becomes an opportunity for you. Number one is determined by how you address it and how you call it. Even if it is positive, if you call it negative, it will be negative for you. And I share say, there's also a bema BBI consider and answer opportunity, your attitude towards it. So that is where we started from last week. And we are just looking at some quotes and some wise saying about why am I to develop that positive mindset. Nti jumadia edi na nyumre nyina no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a brain. It's already a tier for ne ashafo. Dia like Jumadi and Nano about the tofa at the Amai. It's already ye benya potre ne afa ye pen ne afa ye books. Just say ye the better near Macacra. Sadia ye re fini mabini kofa ye books na say baby a notes no kakrana a bit me be shame cram my who say no. Juada bi Jumadi amikotie wo Kwame TV so. Ɔkyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no ɛkasa fa ase ho anaasɛ ɔka ase na mefo sɛ mefa na mede yɛ adwuma a ɛbɛboa me ɛwɔ abrabɔ mu ɛbɛboa me ɛwɔ me na awɔtwe amasi mu nti saa berɛ deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɛgyaa biribi biara mu de ama wo na ɛnnɛ no deɛ wahyehyɛ de ama yɛ soronko no wode ama yɛn.
Okay, nti abusuafo mede nkyia saa berɛ mu nyinaa anwummerɛ yi there's this quote be a Messiah, it's a wonderful quote. It's by Ochrephobia friend Stephen King. Now, I can't say be na me pesa ye bubu hona ye dwendwe ho kakra. Na na asem no say you can, you should, and if you are brave enough to start, you will.
You can,
you should. And if you are brave enough to start, you will. Na ni nyina ni say an idea biba utrimu anase aniswadi hunu bi ana trimu bobi eba wa brabo mu ani bebre ne kasa chiro to da bi wo ha like we've studied a lot yenim say to da bi our past experiences kasa chiro dodo na nkofo bi wo wa brabo mu omo kasa chiro nema bebre ne koso emra bibi abadesi wani so na opese wo ye niam bebre na ekoso wadwen wakoma mu nkomodie mu ayonkofam. So many things happen whenever we have an idea, and so that idea that you have, you will be or ye negative thinker and you will be or ye positive thinker. Now last week yakase say the positive thinker no the bibi aba na kwemu mpokra na he calls it an opportunity. Number 2, Bibiaba now kwemumpoa, he has a positive attitude. Now, so positive attitude here, I can wasem no. Sa ebeye ye adwin anase ebeye ye subaya ye ka ho asem no. Say ye bubomu tofa, eno na otwerefo no wabɔ mmɔden na waka no nneɛma bebree ama ye. Edi a positive person no number 1, the one tirim nyina ne say I can. Met to me. I mean, this first part, that is what we've been talking about over the period. So, the first attitude that Onipa or Juni Ebeye Adri, the first attitude that the positive thinking person, every idea, every opportunity, and even an obstacle, is a fact that he calls himself the person that can. In America, they can yes we can, yes we can, yes we can, yes we can. Yeah, can no. Yeah, per se, you need to understand that you have the capacity to do whatever you are dreaming of. And Stephen King, same kayeni say. So you can say we have a positive attitude towards any vision, any dream. I was saying, I did kind pa about why am I called the second step? They say, Mediatum say, met to me. And Rebiana, Obajiatum say, wound to me. We have not even started the part of the positive journey. We share as simple. And this first step is within you. Sir, Anamontua Edikai, Ayanamontua Womu, and you will be natural, and young command will be the, but within you, you have to first feel, know, accept, and agree that yes, I can. Now, say, okay, yes, I can, Nivea. Now, say, the positive person, the Tossumi Enua or Catcher, and when I say, then I should. So, to media, and I was saying, in other words, you are trying to find a motivation to do it. Or motivation, me di be yen nyina ne say, met to me dear. Say was me. It is ultimately to say ube to media. Then you know that you don't have any excuse not to do it. Answering this question, should I know? I idea bia. I was say a junior who bebre ne a junior who quiet. Because Embrana, ojune ni no. Anyama bebre na ko akwam. Anyama bebre na baba wajinu. Nipa bebre na no bekasa. Then as much as you are thinking about every dream, every vision, there's one question automatically you are thinking about. It's a question called, should I? Menyana. But Abusuafo dear, until was answer yes, ne say. In your first question, can I know? Who say, and I'm so you're positively minded in Ninton. Why do you obey ya and do about doom pensobia? What about you to say met to me? Now say met to me, dear, I didn't name me quite some year. Then you don't have any excuse not to do it. And tell us for the who would trimono. I'm not a numerator, dear, can make a chance that you can. Uber to me.
Yep.
Number two, you should. I was away. I didn't know one year. Uber to me, I didn't know one year. Because at the end of Uber and so the bank for so the amount. There's some so bank for so the money. And why don't you want to do something that you know within yourself that you can do it? I think we should always move from the first step, identifying young to me. Now you got the second step and say, I was some I have to do it. So if I am a positive person, make us say I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. I feel me cranny to say to me, we are. I should do it, I should do it, I should do it. It will develop a positive mindset. According to Stephen Keno, this is a process. It may catch on so met to me. Now, if I make to media, then I don't have any excuse not to do it. I feel they make on say, "Any was some year, I was some year. Samanya way cradia, and then na mama, my bread, and it's what you know, Yamid answer. But if you move from this second step, there's that third step called the brevity. I could do. Also, you can, you should, and if you are brave enough. I thought that we are comment there school no. I'm gonna be wahana. Omuye ni ema bebre esiwe de ni buodru mewa. Obi wa ha teacher. Yes, ni buodru. What said we could assembly as in Bodru and I join in Ayanda. No, no, quite no, according to Nabonti, that we think that is boldness.
Yeah.
No. Gravity, boldness, Akukudru, and son is what you know, Papa, and your media domono. Now, what you to say met to me. Now, when I had dear, I was away. Now, what see me, I hear. And so, if you analyze this particular statement in here, one of the things that are here for every positive thinker is something called brevity, something called boldness. Onipa biano wo ebeye ya adwene biano ade ba ko ehia pa wo wabra bom yakukudu. If I should come back to our test, that is Numbers chapter 13. It is a test way there now. So which here you know the test we are using.
Yeah.
What is the difference? Joshua say, "You bet me. You bet me. No more offense here. Almost we should. I was say yako. When you answer so no. I feel almost at the akukudro ekasai. They started speaking with boldness. They started telling every person, "Say this is something that we are supposed to do." And so, I was for it is a process, and this process, you can keep one of them. Because in here, and the one about the drum pampensua, who bet me achieve what the Korea, Yamipese or Dura Wakumamu. I think you might be another Maka who has them. They kindly say you can. That also means say you should. And I'm so open to me now what's the way into no. The way here ayakukuduro. The way here ayakukuduro. Be bold enough. Be bold enough. There's a lot within you that will give you the ability to do it. Say, okaze wutieti bambu samne dia wuntimi nyo. And you need something called brevity. You need something called boldness. Then we get to something that is very critical. If you are bold enough to start, the idea dance yes wakukuduro enya wanona wode kekano. The idea dance yes wakukuduro na ubetimi akonkan wa de kodie na nyamide si wani so no is your ability to start. And before we have mekana kukuduro mo but if you are brave enough to start, the boldness, the brevity is your ability to start it. And not a chance of what to do. He said that big will be quiet and never no Casacas could do, but they do what? The chance of what could do is your ability to start. Obi can send me to them and say, this magician or Mukrumuna or the Ahoma. Asa or no say obi wa kukudura obi aso wa kukuduru no say obi wa kukudura de ne everton bicycle so now I heard one person so that the person would ride the bicycle on that trend and nobody was willing to do it. Nobody was willing to do it. So, that is it. The sign of your brevity, the sign of the fact that is your ability to start it. I can send you say, Bema be an offaria baku come in. Now you tune for yes, where the more meboa. When you worry, you know, come here, and yes, is not here. Sometimes the most difficult thing that you do is your ability to start. The move our worry. They see any so I feel me person worry. Now I can never be brave. What is never be brave when you so? I feel way dear me persemico. I feel way dear me persemico. I feel way dear persemico. The only problem is not our arena or worry, you know. The only problem is the boldness to start. Me person me go school. School no nya urema akwanya bebre wo mo. There are so many opportunities there. When you uremu so akwanya nimdia obanya sua hunu. You understand how to weave your way around. So what is stopping you is not the middle of the journey. What is stopping you is not the end of the journey. What is stopping you is your inability to start. It's not the middle of the journey. The amount to me and to Botaya no, and ya no, a year de Yankupon as a more dear is what doing in the mountain, or none of them one, dear ma would do. The amount to mean to an ammonia and yen fin. The amount to mean to an ammonia could drop with the best I see. And I'm here to encourage and to challenge somebody that vision no, I will with 3 more do. I said, Joe, what I said that the beer you got 2021 mupa me mester me fear. You got 2021 mupa the Juma we pa me mester. 2021 mudia pa dia we pa nya media to ma 2021 me what san here come. But the difference is not, if we want to look for talkers, we have a lot of talkers around.
Yep.
If you want to look for dreamers, we have a lot of dreamers around. But this evening, I want to challenge you that what will make your case different is your ability to start. And that is the definition of boldness. It is not what you are saying. It's not what you are telling. What are you doing? Mamim pursue what it. Because I trust in your vision. I trust in your dream. Anything about you, be a mama betina, na make can say, make can say. I know, say, on Yamia, what this and is what dealing with him, oh, be puppy them out. But you need to start it. You need to start it.
So,
I thought that people were associated with who quite have a fast associate, but until you have taken the steps. Until you have taken the steps. The other time, many years of Ubi Edim Komona watch. Now he was talking about the kind of things that may hear in one of my stations. Like Osha, like said the village in the city, and these things that we're doing. Like it was so challenged. No, but it is impossible. And I said, what is impossible? Number one, I realized I can do it.
yep.
Number two, I realized that it is necessary. So we should do it. But we didn't have the resources. But the most important thing is that I think that our second meeting, and so if you have a dream and nobody has seen how you are starting it, nobody will come and support it. And there's so many things that it is because we started it. And people saw the vision, at least someone was starting and say, this is going somewhere. So it's not about you talking about it. It's not only about you dreaming about it. But people want to say, are you ready to push yourself into it? The only reason the puppet here might hear to himself, why you're watching said, now why you're ready to the whom be bold enough to start it. Be bold enough to start it. Be bold enough to start it. But you want him say, there's this particular proverb, and now is so ordinary, but it is very deep.
And the way
1,000 miles journey begins with a step.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, this is a we have all heard this before.
Sir.
The journey is going to take 1,000 miles. Ewa papa. But obi anyone all 1,000 miles obetimi to 1,000 steps at the same time. It doesn't work. Where is that step? Another name, your different step, no, your friend said trigger. Mamenya and fact will be intro. If I want to say you're before, now you are a hunter in the forest, and probably you want to kill anything, an antelope, whatever you want to kill, whatever you shoot. You can plan as much as you want to plan. You can target as much as you want to target. You can do whatever you want to do. But whatever you do before the trigger, no, I have just the preparatory stage. The action begins when you put your finger on the trigger and you press it.
Yep.
And so you have the dream. Talk about it. Discuss about it. I don't have a problem. Talk big about it. That is not my problem. But every journey begins with a step. And I'm asking you that question. When are you going to take that all-important step? One TBB and frame when you may cry. What I can't temper so I journey home. Lebisa who say, when am I going to take this all-important step? Sana montua edikaya. I was a made shama na muntu ninase. Sana montua edikaya. The masu metrimu same person lawyer. I want to be whatever you want to be. I want to be a nurse. Now who will be madam for yourself? Who's a software address and a near Japan? No, I can't ask them, sir. No, I can't ask them. No, I can't ask them. It is not about you talking about it. No. Everybody knows you have a calling. Opinion of Fred, our brother. Everybody knows you have a calling. So tell us you have a calling. You can tell us and we can keep hearing it. But when are you picking the phone? That is what boldness is. Take us to be a braver. That is the real definition. That is the definition. When are you picking the form? When are you writing that application letter? Let me ask you a question. Just answer for yourself. When are you picking your phone to make that phone call? When are you taking the first step? You can. You should. But if you are brave enough, what shows that you are brave enough is your ability to start. Your ability to start. Other form of social BB as a what? I feel quite we and chance a bit 2021 Mona Wankasa and Kamisha Sien Tema. There's another saying so. Yeah, buso. But this one is in tree or say. What you mean? What's saying?
Yeah.
Ufrin tem bro a sewer. And a 1 year contem.
Sir.
Ufrin tem a bro a sewer and 1 year contem. And it's very deep. You want to swim, and you are just on the shore, and you are talking about star yakwe de minya biameya pow. When I'm in the so the mukra can make really better me boy.
Sir.
Business ipa me pa na kam yes business ipa. I can say the metia break ipa. Me won pow. Sa business ipa nka ye media pa sa na ye kanu. That is what we talk about. But one friend tell man bro so when intimi nya kokko. Start it. Start it. There's nothing called small beginnings. Obia Samuel catcher me, one of my cousins is more like a brother to me. I said there's nothing called small beginnings. What really exists is humble beginnings. Your beginning may be humble, but at least there is a beginning. What about who brother now when he has begun nothing? And nothing will get you nothing. So please begin it. Please start it. Start it. Now the church in this particular scene, also you can, you should. And if you are brave enough to start, you will. You will not just obey. I feel no baby says, then. Also, what even do purpose? So do Abraham work as a business then. You ask yourself, how did I do it? Because challenge yourself to the opportunity. You challenge yourself to move ahead. You challenge yourself to do something different. You challenge yourself to bring that vision into reality. You challenge yourself to believe that you can. You challenge yourself to believe that you should. And you were bold enough to start. As Stephen King said, if you can and if you should, and you come to that portion where you are brave enough to start, mind you, you will. Everybody that does an investment, that investment be the end of the matter is not comparable to the beginning thereof. Debbie. But oh baby, begin somewhere, start somewhere, be bold enough to start. And it is something said an American in my village. Once you begin to start something and you talk to people and people share your vision, they share your dream. People want to know if you're ready to begin it and to start it before they come to support you. It will blow your mind the kind of support Ubenya when you take the first step. It will blow your mind. Sandy for say the off-road you panel on a piano. Minko who say a DABC or baby DABC or na will be agent as here. No, wash your hair could be efe. No, be about the son of piano. It doesn't happen. And it won't happen. It won't happen. This is the process. I'm a person what you say. I am nine generally 4 things. The first thing is that note that you can. Now, maybe I need to add because you can. Number 2, note that you should. A idea a what's away. Because the sober ban for so amount. That's so about for so, and you're more bushing. That also means say, if I can and if I should, then I should be bold enough to start it. All you need is the boldness to start it. Start with however you want to start it, but take the first step. But if you take the first step, the encouragement is that you will obey.
So
Obey. First, obey. Something is boiling up. Sometimes it me we pay. Me di one dance online so.
Amen.
Because I've always believed I can. I've always believed I should. I've always had the boldness to start what God wants me to do. And whenever I start it, by the grace of God, I'm able to do it. When I mention when you pray, I found my bedroom purpose will be out who say that 1,000 miles journey on your heart, it will always begin with a step. Amen.
Amen. Where the yadasi be not just and me share unche one way kakra e wo hono ma yese ese yi fear efu ya brabo. Ese fear a factor kase ese yi fu ya brabo. Si ye be fear brabo mu a ye betimi move on nti dia meka nyina ne say yadasi bebre say adwada bia wonya emre na obeboa ma ye na wotwe a yasimu no etimi ekoye etimi hye ye nkran na etimi ma yetimi de botaye bi sie ni so na yetimi pem ekodu sa botaye no ho ti dia meka nyina ne say yadase bebre na ansana ebia abekokra no mame fanchia kase ema eye atiefo ene ahwefo a omutimi ebeka ye ho eye Derek Easy Nana Boateng sounds na koma Gladys Owusu koma ya mame anase ye nuaba Grace and Chua AJ Royal Blood Jesus sounds na koma Gislin Savage Kofi Kakari sounds na koma Kofi Asaribuadu UK yada mu nyina semestre mu amu Facebook YouTube any other page no se ma mo din a mesrew e ma na ha obi biara wonya amre ebeka ye ho obi bia otimi ba ebeka ye ho bia yada mu nyina se de eka nyina ne se mo subscribe to your YouTube channel no na mo fa and support Kwamet TV jumadi ya ye di nyina e ko hono mo live in this one show of Facebook grana with me asheno YouTube and as old videos no so oko Kwamet TV and also on sa ebekan disabredi and just say yadamasi bebre ba reverend ansa na yebeja okra and na obekono afutu oben na udi ja atiefo ene ahwefo
abusafo de mekanya numre the teacher me person me train agency so it's something that has been told since ages that 1,000 miles journey begins with a step. Therefore, say, the Kodiana nya media dum ye no adum ye mo ahoden, and because of that, you can do it. You should do it. But so betimi aye na benya more. You need to take the first step. Nobody will come and push your vision into reality for you. Vision will trim when you saw them will trim. It is when you start putting it into practice and people see a future with that particular vision. And I'll meet me about wow. And to me, Adiana, watching a home, they be out to say that procrastination is a thief of time. There's more to work, and yet It's what to watch, and then you bring idea and me person me here, and me gidi say more pursue a command. What I've been able to challenge you to do is just to start it. Start it, take the first step. And if you are brave enough to start it, you will.
Okay, yeah, that's the brave, Reverend DNJ. Ebi anafin wa wabekan ho sesi ana bekan ho. Ba one mantem dwumade ne de ba wie ba ye pese a kire so obetimi akọ video no ewo YouTube committee bi this upgrade na chese megina obi biara anamu na ye de aseda kase ama. Ti ye da se bebre de ye kanyina ne se erade enhiraw. Na what you say ne ye besa ehia biom every Monday by 6 p.m. Ya meka nyina ne se hia wa hanom you need something. Uhia bibi ebe boa for the week, ebe motivate you. Ebe mo wani be brain na betimi betu anamon wan se utu. Nti sa brain na je se ya da mo se be brain nti ya shram some on subscribe to channel no man na ya de djumade no eba awie. Nti sa brain se mon tie nka biom dia na ye me imposona na ameyaw ene Reverend DNJ na djumade no positivity with Reverend DNJ djumade no na ode ba awieye anase ye de aba awieye nti na wotwe se ne ye besan ahyiam bi ye de mase bebre ye besere se ekuafo ene obi biara mon support ye sponsors Apex 10 also they're making farming sexy again so we ka kofa commercial we are near the KTM mobile atwa so sounds na media asada kesiensma Madus Designs so Madus Designs acham se omo de niama bebre ba sounds na me recommend Rich Beard solution so then mesra obi biara se utimi ekope bi subsequent ways in beba no me de omo bottles ni bi beba ma try bi ahwe na bibi papa se wagina wa bodwe kakra dia na je se wo hia bibi sa wode befa wa bodwum na amano IFM amano agina so na etimi ada ho na shine so ba bia bepie bia yetimu say yes abrantie no wa pie nti sa brede ye da mase bebre momi enkofa commercial emra
Ghana fue yedie na bayo yedie na bay Apex 10 fertilizer booster purely organic efrasa simu ene de masase no obade ensa no pe na menu akayo se wudro bia nim enti se ode yafu a anya ade aduaba no anase wo a wudi no benya sosaso bia na chese be ma kwaye aye dekora tie kane no a ebe fa na tuma pa ede afra na de ma Apex 10 edan so kra de se enema no wadua na ewuwo na flowers ne aduaba na etiti guo no agya wadwo a se wudi Apex 10 kanu a ene tese magic no ebe ye prom fe na aso aba bebre ahwadi mu pa etise se no kwiafo ebenya sika ene anigye awo mabrabo mu a na utimi se enya sam keto akora Apex 10 e mammo piafo apanifo monfrɛ ahoman na monje nkyiremu ya ehye medie 0552 505723 ana plus 160 922 78043 Apex 10 fertilizer booster piao mama fiadwuma ayanika pa